I thought you might find this interesting, looking up at this cliff, all that old clay that's eroded over time. And it looks like a fresh fall of chunks of frozen clay. It's amazing what sub-zero temperatures will do. But I don't think I'll be climbing up there to look for anything today. But I thought you might find that interesting. I'm down in what you would call a hollow in this part of the country. It actually has hollow in its name. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm about to wrap it up. I didn't find any teeth today.